EAS.
Tomorrow morning. Impacts at 16.0 feet. The parking lots at both the McKinney and Brunswick boat ramps began to flood. Flooding of an agricultural field adjacent to the McKinley boat ramp is occurring. About half the lower parking lot of the Point of Rocks boat ramp is also flooded. Additional details, at 6:30 a.m. Thursday the stage was 13.6 feet, or 2.4 feet below flood stage. Bankfull stage is 16.0 feet. Forecast, the river is expected to rise above flood stage this evening to a crest of 16.1 feet this evening. It will then fall below flood stage just after midnight tonight. Flood stage is 16.0 feet. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 16.1 feet on September 1st, 1911. Please visit www.weather.gov/safety/flood for flood safety and preparedness information.
On EAS. EAS. Look, Daddy.
I heard that thing. Mommy said it went off yesterday, too.